Got this number 7. Come on, 7.
Come on, Gracie, move.
Come on, Gracie. Got this.
Hey, who got it back, Nick? Who got it back? Who's up? Who's on deck? Becca, who's on deck? Go get that back, Ruby. Hurry up. Hustle, 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 hustle. Hey, y'all need to know your lineup. Come on now. That was a little too long in there. Come out here and to me next time. I got you.
To the green, number 3. To the green, number 2. To the green, number 3. I think there's trees. There are no trees back there.
Step into it. Keep the arms up. What's out there? Hey, Rebecca. Remember, keep your balance in there. Swing hard. Use your hips too. Swing into it with your hips. Yeah, there you go. Swing with your hips. Come on.
Gotta work with what you have. Yeah, to the leaves. To the scoreboard, number 3. To the scoreboard. That doesn't sound good.
Oh,
That's
good.
too long. It doesn't sound good when you're like trying
Good job. Good job.
and it sounds, it's like that was something that's really long. What? Call number 3. Her slime is like a backwards like
Keep your back shoulder up now. Come on now.
got this, Jaden! Wait, who's on second? Is that Alyssa or Brooklyn? Grace. Grace.
Ah.
I just got now I have to tell. I saw this guy yesterday and he had long brown hair and it looked like a guy with Grace's hair. He was on a motorcycle. Ew. He was like a guy with Grace's hair.
No pop up. Swing hard now. What's that, Grace? Be on the wheels.
I need to hear. What if he was a hypocrite?
Good. Hey, you know not to run past the bag. Come on now.
Practice in her first base.